Welcome back to Overheat, BMW Motorhome 2026, a combination of innovation, performance, and luxury. Aerodynamic and iconic design on the outside. Iconic Kidney Grille, a more futuristic take on the iconic BMW double grille will be presented. Sharp light appearance, with a streamlined and expressive appearance. The headlights and taillights will use laser or OLED technology. Lightweight and composite materials in order to decrease total weight, enhance performance, and increase fuel efficiency. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and composites will be prioritized. Integrated windows and doors to create a cleaner appearance. Use a flush or hidden mechanism when closed. Unique design wheels and rims. BMW's stylish, aerodynamic alloy wheels, which may come in a variety of sizes and styles, will be standard. Interior, cutting-edge technology and practical luxury. Premium materials, an opulent and cozy ambience will be produced by utilizing premium materials like exquisite leather, natural wood with contemporary accents, and metallic components. Integrated infotainment system. All of the car's systems and the living space will be controlled by a sizable touchscreen built into the dashboard. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will have enormous refrigerators, convection ovens, induction hobs, and maybe built-in coffee makers, among other high-end. Contemporary appliances, comfortable sleeping area, with premium mattresses, programmable lighting, and a personal entertainment system. The bedroom will provide optimal comfort, ambient lighting adjustment, and LED lighting system with intensity control. Performance and driving technology. Strong and efficient engine, a high-performance gasoline or diesel engine with twin-turbo technology. Or maybe a hybrid system that combines power and fuel efficiency is probably going to power the 2026 BMW Motorhome.